Discover nature's optical genius in just 3 minutes. Insects possess truly incredible vision. Unlike human eyes, their compound eyes offer a truly revolutionary design. Hundreds of tiny lenses form a single mosaic image. This unique structure inspires groundbreaking human innovation. Today, we explore nature's innovative optical solutions. Biomimicry unlocks engineering secrets from smallest creatures. Consider the dragonfly, a swift aerial insect hunter. Its large eyes contain up to 30,000 individual ommatidia. Each ommatidium functions as an individual sensor unit. These hexagonal units provide a vast field of view. They detect rapid movement with astounding precision. This creates a mosaic image, not a single clear one. It excels at tracking prey and avoiding swift predators. This ancient design proves incredibly effective still today. Unlike human eyes, insects have fixed focus lenses. Their brain combines signals from thousands of ommatidia. This architecture is optimized for superior motion detection. It allows for nearly 360-degree panoramic vision. Dragonflies process visual information exceptionally fast. Flies, Drosophila, also demonstrate remarkable visual acuity. Their small brains interpret complex visual data swiftly. This natural engineering offers vast technological potential. Scientists study insect eyes for advanced camera designs. Biomimicry applies natural solutions to human problems. Early 2000 saw significant strides in this research. Harvard's Luke F. St. Pierre explored artificial ommatidia. Researchers meticulously mimicked hexagonal lens arrangements. They developed wide-angle, distortion-free camera systems. These new cameras offer unmatched peripheral vision. Their compact size makes them suitable for tiny drones. This technology enables robust vision in tiny packages. KAIST researchers created a miniature compound eye camera. Professor Kai-hun Jeong led this pioneering development. This camera boasts a 130-degree field of view. It detects motion similar to insect capabilities precisely. Applications include surveillance, robotics, medical imaging. Drones can navigate complex spaces more effectively now. This technology enhances safety and observational power. Nature continues to inspire our greatest inventions, truly. Insect compound eyes offer a blueprint for innovation. Their design revolutionizes how we capture visual images. Biomimicry bridges ancient biology with future technology. Understanding nature unlocks powerful human progress always. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.